Hey guys, so today was actually a pretty good day today. So today I made 4.2k, which is, as you can see, this is the day P&L, 4.2, and then today it was a pretty beast of a day, I'll say that, for one. 9:30 kicked off, 9:30 dropped straight to the downside. We broke these lows here. Primarily, we want to see two forms of resistance being broken. So we want to see two forms of resistance being broken, meaning that we have an uptrend coming here. We broke the uptrend and we broke. These are the perfect sells that we want, right? Two forms of resistance broken at the same time. Boom, straight drop all the way to the downside. Now we can catch buys back to the upside, but what we have to understand is that we have to see where market's peaking and where the structures that are being set. Okay, now we see that price comes down and rejects here, taps here, comes and taps here again, right? So when we see price come and tap here the third time, what we can look to do is we can take buys as soon as price breaks this resistance zone here back to the upside, or it breaks this resistance zone up here. This one will be a good one too. That one's fine as well. But the early ones I feel like are safer, especially because this one is a confirmed, push back to the upside by here. Boom, for another 1,500 pips. Today was a great day. No news or anything. Just a good solid trading day. Now, just to go over again my strategy and essentially and you could leave some runners today as well. Great market structure, no news. So we're looking at the market like this, right? We're marking up our highs and lows. Okay, starting from the beginning, we see that price at 8:30. There was some news. I kind of ignored this just a little bit because I'm like, this could be just some, I guess, manipulation, because news at 8:30 was today. Boom, came up here, came back down. I say, okay, cool. We're already creating this uptrend. It's already going on here, right? So by 9 o'clock, I can say, okay, we're probably either looking for rejections back to the downside. I said because this range is so wide, you want to always count your pip range. If your pip range is more than like 50 pips, right, and it's leaning towards like 70 to like 80 to 90 pips, you're going to be in more of like I call a reversal type of market. A reversal type of market, that just means that there's a wider spread right now. So we want to start looking for potential reversals back to the downside. Instead of trying to catch breaks, we could look at reversals potential to the downside. The only thing is, it's like here at 9:30, you just got to know that this thing is going to reverse. It's going to give you this first rejection candle. Then it's going to give you the second rejection candle that's going to close in the red, right? So it's going to close in the red and let you know, like, okay, we're falling below here. The third one is going to be the entry candle. The last one, you can get in for a sell, drop for 50 pips. If you know, and you can say, okay, I know that price is gonna, is most likely gonna break here and continue to the downside, because that's where all the volume is shifting in the market right now. So you either that, or you can just take this entry here. Like I said, this would be another entry that you could take to the downside, and that's pretty much it. Two forms of resistance broken. We want days like these. We ask ourselves, is market structure good today? This is as good as market structure as you're gonna get, right? A great uptrend to the, okay, you just have to be careful not to like just expect a buy, right? You want to wait for price to come through, break here, and then reverse back to the downside to give you your entry to the upside, right? If that's gonna be a buy. Otherwise, if you're not sure about entries like this one, you literally can just wait, like I said, until this one. We want to be taking these sells at the lowest form of resistance anyway.